There are some smartphone companies out there that do not mind when you modify the Android system partition and modify the software that you have on your device. These companies are like Google and OnePlus. They don't mind if you unlock the bootloader and install custom recoveries, install custom ROMs. They will still support the warranty of your smartphone as long as it's not voided in any other way. However, there are some companies out there, including Samsung, which do not support the warranty for your device if you have done one of these things that modifies the system partition. For Samsung, this is popularly known as Samsung Knox. That is their security platform on the Galaxy smartphones. And today I want to show you how to check to see if the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus has had its Knox platform tripped. This is basically what Samsung representatives are going to check for if you send your device in to get repaired or replaced. If Knox is tripped, then they will not support the warranty for your device. So to begin with this tutorial, we first need to power off the Galaxy S9. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to boot the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus into download mode. So if you're not sure of how to do that, be sure to check the full tutorial linked below this video if you're watching it on YouTube, as I'll have that linked directly in that full article. So once we are at the warning screen for download mode, we're just going to press the volume up button to continue. And that's going to take us directly into download mode. Even though right here it says it's downloading, nothing's happening unless you have initiated something on your computer that is connected to the device with a USB cable. So once you are in download mode on the Galaxy S9 or the Galaxy S9 Plus, you're going to want to look at the text up here at the top left of the screen. In this text, you're going to see a line that says warranty void. Now, if that warranty void line says 0x0, that means your warranty has not been voided. However, if you have previously rooted your Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, or you have installed a custom ROM or a custom recovery, most likely, unless you used an exploit to bypass that, you have tripped Knox, and instead of seeing 0.0 right there, or 0x0, you're going to see 0x1. If you see 0x1 right there, that means your warranty has been voided, and you can still try to get your device repaired or replaced. But just know that your warranty has technically been voided, and this can be a big deal, especially if you bought the phone secondhand. Maybe you bought it from a friend, bought it online on eBay. You should know that if that warranty void line says 0x1, then your warranty has been voided. Now once that trigger has been done, unless there is an exploit that in the future allows you to reset that, which is possible but is very, very rare, then it will always read as 0x1 and will always be indicated that your warranty has been voided. And to finish up this tutorial, I'm just going to show you that we can get out of here by pressing and holding the power and the volume down buttons at the same time. As the text says, we're going to hold these two buttons down for about 7 seconds or more. And you're going to see the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 shut down. It's going to restart. And it's just going to boot us right back into the Android operating system. And there you have it. That is how to check to see if Knox has been tripped on the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus.